ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. ಅವರು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಲಿ. Let them decide. Let them decide. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. See you again. See you again. ನಿನಗೊಂದು ಸೀಟು ಹುಡುಕಿಕೋ. Find yourself a seat. Find yourself a seat. ನನಗದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬೇಕು. I want it back. I want it back. ನಾನು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. I heard about it. I heard about it. ಅವಳು ನಿನ್ನಂತೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. She looks like you. She looks like you. ನನಗೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. I think he is right. I think he is right. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ. I have some work. I have some work. ನಾಳೆ ನನಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡು. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. ನನಗೆ ಚಳಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. I need to see you. I need to see you. ನನಗೆ ಯೋಚಿಸಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಬೇಕು. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಡ. Don't speak like this. Don't speak like this. ಈ ಬಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? Where does this bus go? Where does this bus go? ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಇರುವವಳು. She is extremely patient. She is extremely patient. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಇಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲ. She hates fighting. She hates fighting. ನಾನು ಅವನ ವರ್ತನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. I won't tolerate his behavior. I won't tolerate his behavior. ಅವನು ಹಠಮಾರಿ. He is stubborn. He is stubborn. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಸರದಿ. Now it is my turn. Now it is my turn. ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಉತ್ಸುಕಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. She is very excited. She is very excited. ಅದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. It is not working. It is not working. ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರಾ? Will you please help me? Will you please help me? ನಾನು ಸಹಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾ? Do I need to sign? Do I need to sign? ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. I don't agree. I don't agree.